Welcome to our Motherboard Showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between the ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS WIFI and the MSI PRO Z790-A MAX. Both motherboards are designed for high-performance computing, but cater to different CPU platforms. Let's explore their specifications, features, and which one might be the best fit for your next build. The ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS WIFI is designed to support AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors, making it an excellent choice for AMD enthusiasts. On the other hand, the MSI PRO Z790-A MAX is built for Intel's 12th, 13th, and 14th generation processors, providing flexibility for Intel users. This distinction is crucial for buyers, as it directly impacts the choice of CPU and overall system performance. In terms of connectivity, the ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS WIFI offers Wi-Fi 6 and 2.5 gigabits Ethernet, ensuring fast and reliable internet connections. In comparison, the MSI PRO Z790-A MAX takes it a step further with Wi-Fi 7, which promises even faster wireless speeds and improved performance in congested environments. This makes the MSI board a better option for users who prioritize cutting-edge connectivity. When it comes to power delivery, the ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS WIFI features a 12+2 power stage design, which is adequate for most users. However, the MSI PRO Z790-A MAX boasts a more robust 16+1+1 power stage configuration, making it ideal for overclocking and high-performance builds. This difference can significantly impact stability and performance during demanding tasks. In conclusion, both motherboards offer unique advantages tailored to different user needs. The ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS WIFI is a fantastic choice for those looking for a budget-friendly option with solid performance, while the MSI PRO Z790-A MAX is geared towards users seeking the latest technology and superior power delivery. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.